Were you able to read along to our story about bugs again today? So we have another activity we're going to do with that. But first, we're going to review a couple of our letter sounds. Okay, repeat after me. Say monkey, monkey, Say apple, apple, and pig, pig, So we're going to be letter sound detectives today. So detectives try to find the answers using clues, right? So here's our clues. The first one's been done for us. So apple is going to be here the same for ant So we're just writing our beginning sounds for these pictures, okay? Ooh, here's one here that is not on our cards, okay? So I have apple monkey and pig p, okay? So I have 6 s. That doesn't go with those cards. However, we can write the s, letter S there because that's what begins the number 6, right? You hear it in the beginning of that. Okay, let's go over here to the picture by the star. That is a mirror. Mirror. And that makes the same sound as monkey, So go ahead and write your lowercase m right here. Okay. The next picture, echo astronaut. Astronaut. Do you see? Do you hear the apple astronaut? We can write our A sound there. Short A sound. Okay, now right here we have a pin. And that begins the same as pig. So we're going to write our lowercase p there for pin. Okay. Our next picture is an alligator. Alligator. And that begins like apple So let's go ahead and write our apple right there. Okay. Now, again, they snuck in a letter that we don't have here, but we can do this. Echo sock. Sock. Sock begins with s, like 6, so we can write our letter S here. Okay. And then our last picture here is mop, which is going to, of course, begin like our monkey, Let's go ahead and write with the letter M for mop. Okay, great. All right. Then we're going to turn to the back. So we watched the story, Bugs, Bugs, I Love Bugs, okay? And were you able to read along? There was a lot of words in there that were sight words that we've already done. Okay, so we're going to look at the first group of pictures up here, just by the apple, and I'm going to cover mine up to help it make it easier for you to see. So in the top row, it says, which bugs can fly? Circle only the bugs that can fly. Okay, so this one looks like a fly to me, and it's got its wings, so I'm going to circle it. And then this one right here looks like a bee. And this one's a spider. It doesn't have wings, and it can't fly, so I'm not going to circle it, okay? Then I'm going to go down to the next row, and we have different instructions right here. For this row by the star, we circle the bugs that can crawl, the bugs that can crawl. Okay, so a butterfly flies, it doesn't crawl. However, we have a caterpillar here, and the caterpillar is a crawly creature. And then we have a slug. A slug is a crawly creature, so we can circle that one, okay? So now then the last question here, by the tree, we're going to compare these bugs, and it says, which bugs can hop? Circle the picture of the ones that can hop. Well, this is a centipede. A centipede does not have hop. You have to have good legs for hopping, right? So here we go here. This is our, I think that's a grasshopper. It doesn't look like a praying mantis, but a praying mantis can also hop. But there's our hopping grasshopper. And then this is our dragonfly. This one flies. It doesn't hop. Okay, so check your work. Make sure you've circled the same pictures, okay? And then give yourself an exit ticket, okay? And did you like the ladybug at the end of that book? That was a cute little ladybug costume in that story.